We are blessed to be gathered here once again for the sixth session of HERA, HALQA-E-RUMI-O-IQBAL, Iqbal and Rumi Circle. Today's topic is very interesting, profound, and quite frankly, deserving of several sessions. I'll try to make it simple and to the point so that everybody can get something out of it today, and still there will be enough thirst left so that you will want more, because you really want to get into the subject and see how profound this subject is and how it impacts our daily lives. The subject basically is in Urdu, Aql-o-Dil. In Urdu, there's a poem of Iqbal that says Aql-o-Dil. So I have sent that on email to those who were on the mailing list. And we will use that as the topic. Intellect and your heart. Faith and reason. Ishq or dil. Ishq or ilm. In other words, this topic deals with how your intellect guides you in your life and how your heart can guide you in your life. Are these two things compatible with each other? Can they work together, or are they antithesis to each other? In other words, is reasoning important in life? Is faith important in life? Which one has more impact in your life? And what is the purpose of each one of these? I use this first verse from Iqbal in Urdu, and I'll translate it. Ye aql-o-dil hai sharar, शोलाए मोहब्बत के, वो खारो खस के लिए है या नेस्तां के लिए. This intellect and your heart, these are the sparks of the flame of divine love. One of them is for this world, kharo khas, khar is thorns, khas is the dirt, ye nestan ke liye, and the heart is for the world that is unseen, world beyond our vision, world that is la makan, and a place where material existence does not matter or does not exist. So, if you remember, the message behind this is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to manifest himself. He wanted to be known, so he created the world. Now, obviously, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was alone and he had not created any of this, nobody would know that a creator exists. So he had to create the world. Now, after creating the world, he had a system whereby he wanted people to be able to introduce his being to each other and to the rest of the creation. And he created man, to make it simple and brief. Now the man was given something that other creation before him did not have, and that was the choice. He had the ability to choose right from wrong. Prior to that, the creation that was there, most of them did not really have that option. They were created for a certain purpose, that they did what they were supposed to do, and that basically was it. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created man, he made it in the best of images, best of shape, in the best of his creation. And what makes the man best is basically these two things, these two elements. One of them is what deals with this world, and that's his aql, that's his hirad, that's his knowledge. And the other thing is the heart, not the heart that is hanging in our chest that pumps the blood. There is something other than that that is contained in our chest that may have some relationship to this physical heart, but it's really not just that, it's more than that. And that heart has a spark within it that comes from a different world. That is not material, that is spiritual. You cannot see it. Our body cannot see our soul, and our soul is really from a different world, and it cannot be nourished from what we eat. It has to be nourished by something like this that we are going to talk about. It has to be given the food from that world, a message from there, talk about the Creator, talk about His creation and the purpose of our life. So basically, we have a spirit within us that is from a different world, and we have this physical body that is carrying it. So that is the summary of this page that I gave you. Now, if we were to take it in a simple way, that poem that has few lines that I sent to everyone, if we use that for our discussion today, then I think we will start getting the message as to what we are going to talk about today. Let's see, where do I have it? Here. I'll read it in Urdu because this is in Urdu. Is there anybody that does not understand Urdu at all? How about you? You understand Urdu? Some, okay. Or you understand Urdu?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. अक्ल ने एक दिन ये दिल से कहा, भूले भटके की रहनुमा हूं मैं. The intelligence or intellect said to the heart one day, I am the guide to those that are misguided or astray, who are off the course. I can guide them. Intelligence said that to the heart. They are talking to each other now. Heart and Iqbal used this beautifully. The way he has brought the subject out in these few lines is amazing. अक्ल ने एक दिन ये दिल से कहा, भूले भटके की रहनुमा हूं मैं, हूं ज़मीं पर, गुज़र फलक पे मेरा. I live on in this earth, but I actually travel the skies. देख तो किस कदर रसा हूं मैं. Just see how much approachable I am, how far I have my approach, how far can I reach. देख तो किस कदर रसा हूं मैं, how high can I reach. काम दुनिया में राहबरी है मेरा. My job in the world is to guide people. मिसले मिसले खिज़र खजस्ता पा हूं मैं. Like Khidr alayhi salam, I am always, walking around on my feet, traveling. दिल ने सुनकर कहा, बूंद खून की है तू, लेकिन गैरते लाले बेबहा हूं मैं. You are just a drop of blood, basically. That's what you are, oh my dear heart. गैरते लाले बेबहा हूं मैं. I am the envy of the most precious pearls and stones. लाल, हीरे. दिल ने सुनकर कहा, ये सब सच है. The heart heard all of this and he said, all of this is true. पर मुझे भी तो देख, क्या हूं मैं? But look at me also and see who I am. राज़ हस्ती को तू समझती है. Yes, you understand the secret of the world, secret of the Creator. और आंखों से देखता हूं मैं. You only understand the secrets of the world and I actually observe them. I see them. है तुझे वास्ता मुज़ाहिर से. You deal with the appearance of things. Whatever is out there, you deal only with that. और बातिन से आशना हूं मैं. And I know what is contained in those packages. You only see the lifafa. I see the letter inside. You only see the packaging. I see what is contained in that package. इल्म तुझसे तो मारफत मुझसे. You give information. I give recognition. You give them that this is a box. I tell them this is a box made out of this, is contained that, it has these properties.